Yawning is yoga. Yawning is yoga. Yoga involves breathing. Yoga involves stretching. And darn it, when we yawn, don't we start to breathe and stretch? And so things don't have to be complicated. They don't have to be shrouded in mystical traditions. There's something really powerful about yawning. We yawn in the womb. You know, seashells yawn, reptiles yawn. Why would nature program this so deeply into us? It must be important. And as it turns out, yawning is exciting neuroscientists because of the benefits of it and the parts of the brain that light up. And when do people yawn? It's stimulated by light. We yawn when we're tired. We yawn when they're full of energy. Animals yawn before an attack. They yawn after the fight is over. And so there's something about yawning and this part of the brain, the precuneus, which is also responsible for empathy. It's the control center for yawning and it's the control center for empathy. Why is yawning contagious? Why is it when we even mention the word yawning, people have an urge to yawn? One person yawns and someone else always yawns. And the closer you are to the person, the more of an emotional connection you have, the more contagious yawning is. So I don't think we yawn enough. I think we should yawn a lot more and play with the yawn and exaggerate the yawn and squeeze all the juice out of it and have fun with it. When I was a 5-year-old kid in the school and I was surrendering to my yawns, I literally got punished. I was literally told to stop that. And so I think if we're stifling our yawns, it's, swallowing our yawns, it's not polite. I don't want to attract attention to myself. Some people think, am I boring you? And it's insulting. I'm talking to you and you yawn. And so there's all this social weird stuff around something very healthy. And if we are inhibiting our yawning, what else are we inhibiting around the breath that we need to stop inhibiting? We need to make yawning socially acceptable. I like your idea of let's start yawning clubs. If people did nothing but yawn for 2 or 3 minutes, just make yourself yawn. Do what you need to do to trigger a yawn and do it again and do it until your eyes water. What a miracle. What a miracle when we choose to yawn and then we produce fluids. I mean, we have gotten a handle on something, our chemistry. And we can start to steer our system in directions that we want to go. And there's something organically pleasurable about a yawn.